Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Mastering possessive adjectives.
If your sentence sounds a bit off, you might be messing up your possessive adjectives. Let's fix that, fast. Possessive adjectives. These little words show ownership and are key to mastering English. First up, my. Use my when something belongs to you. Like, this is my book. Easy, right? Next, your. It's for something that belongs to the person you're talking to. Is this your pen? Moving on, his and her point to belongings of others. His jacket is red or her cat is cute. Don't forget its. It's for things, not people, like the tree lost its leaves. Then, our. It's for something that belongs to a group you're part of. Our project won first place. Wrapping up with their. It refers to a group you're talking about. Their ideas are innovative. And that's it. You've just aced possessive adjectives. Slide them into your sentences and watch your English skills soar.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.